Today we're going to take you along with us as we spend the day in Duluth, Minnesota, during the winter season. We don't have any set plans for the day other than soaking in the charm and this beautiful city. So bundle up and let's get started.
Yesterday, we were almost out of snow. Like, we could see grass. It was great. I mean, the grass was dead, but you could see it.
Today, we woke up to this. Got the snowblower going. I mean, it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, but yeah, so done with this. Are you excited to spend the day in Duluth? What are you doing, you crazy girl? That's ice, not snow. This is all just straight up ice.
Well, it's from the water that overflows.
Didn't realize that was a thing.
We're on the aerial lift bridge.
Oh yeah.
It's big and it's cold.
It's a bridge.
It's a bridge.
You can see from one side to the other.
And it does. We made a newbie mistake, which is pretty shameful considering that we live here in Minnesota. We trusted the sunshine. The sunshine said it was warm. The sunshine was a liar.
The breeze is making it a little chilly. Going back to get a jackets.
Yes, and hats, and gloves, and other things.
We're just trying to get up the steps.
No problem. All right, our first stop was down at Canal Park. We are on the...
What are we on?
Lake walk.
We're on the lake walk right now, down here, Canal Park.
Waves are crashing.
Waves are crashing like crazy. Lots of people out.
See what's going on.
But you can normally walk out to the lighthouses and stuff, but obviously with the water and stuff freezing, you wouldn't want to.
A little chilly and wet.
Yep.
The waves are way too big. No thanks.
Really think.
Are you okay? Oh my gosh! Goodness gracious.
Not paying attention.
Oops.
Kind of goes all along the shore behind me, down along the buildings. Sun shining off the snow, reflecting, so it's extremely bright.
That's an understatement.
Not sure what else we're gonna do. We're gonna probably check out some lighthouses along the way.
We are 100% winging this day. We would have loved to have gone out to see the lighthouse up close, but unfortunately right now the walk out to it is closed. We're pretty sure that's kind of a winter thing here. The waves are freaking huge.
The waves are crashing over on the walls or the sidewalk side, and it's just with freezing temperatures, it's not safe, it's icy, and you'd be cold, wet, icy,
and really, really wet.
And slippery.
Maybe next time.
Summer project.
Yes, summertime.
Finally made it to the beach.
Oh boy, we finally made it to the beach.
It's just like Mexico, minus that's the white
I mean, they're
sand.
white beaches.
That's the white snow beach.
We're gonna walk up and see if we can get up to the coast.
Yeah, the white dunes.
The white dunes.
Falling through the snow.
We're sinking. It's not a good time. I don't like wet feet. It's not my jam.
When Stella struggles, she gets to be picked up, which is great for her.
When I struggle, Lucas doesn't pick me up. He just laughs.
Very cool, actually.
Oh, wow. That's so cool.
This is so much cooler than we could have ever anticipated.
The sun is reflecting off the snow and it's so bright. It's your eyes.
I've given up on that. Lucas is trying to keep eye contact with you and I'm saying, mm-mm.
It's painful.
Nope, no
So
thank
bright.
you.
But yeah, the waves are coming in and all the snow and ice chunks, and they're like all collected here along the shore.
Yeah, it is really, really cool. Very slippery, a little sketchy, but very, very cool.
Yeah.
How am I gonna get down?
You walk. Just walk.
I can't walk.
Walk.
It's not good.
It's not that bad. Oh boy. And back to the sand. Fun stuff.
That was stressful.
Little wet feet, not bad though.
Would definitely recommend if you're coming here in the wintertime, be mindful of your feet and where they're at. But if you can, come on down to the beach. This is super awesome.
Stella's a little tired. She's taking a nap.
Tons to do down here. More than you can do in a day.
Oh, absolutely.
Restaurants, walks, hikes. There's tons to do downtown.
Made it over to French River Wayside now. This is kind of an impromptu stop, as is the theme of the day. On our way to Two Harbors, it is so beautiful. It's so pretty. We've even got some people out here surfing in wetsuits, which I think that they're crazy, but more power to them. It's super cool to see them out there. We'll try and get some shots of them up close so that you can actually see them, because when
You look out, there's three,
but you can't really see them on the GoPro. So crossing my fingers, you'll be able to hear me over the waves still.
Lucas is up there getting some drone footage of this amazing view. Seriously. Breathtaking. What you doing, baby?
We would never leave you. Well, we're ending our day at Two Harbors. We came down by the lighthouse and we totally lucked out because there was a ship coming in, and that was awesome.
It's super nice.
Oh, it's beautiful out. We're actually sitting on, can you believe it, grass? We're sitting on grass right now.
It's awesome.
Beautiful sunset. Very bright.
Yep.
Very bright.
Very bright.
A lot of people came out to watch the ship come in tonight, so that was pretty cool to see everyone out and about. What was your favorite part?
Just sitting. It feels nice out. It's not windy for once.
Yeah.
Actually feels kind of warm.
It's the Minnesota warm. Keep that in mind.
Yeah. 35 degrees and sunny.
Yes, yes. Exactly. Well, well, I think we're gonna wrap things up here and go find some dinner. This is seriously the best day. I love this day.
I honestly like the sunset in the evening here more than I like downtown Duluth.
Oh yeah, 1,000,000%. 1,000,000%.
Personally. Just hanging out in the little bay here, watching the sunset. That was better than being down in Duluth.
Yeah, I agree. I'm personally not one for
in my opinion.
big crowds, so
Yeah.
this is way better.
All right, now we're going to dinner.
Yep, dinner time. Actually, dinner time. We lied last time.
We got sidetracked by like an hour.
I mean, the sunset was really pretty.
Yeah. Okay, let's go this way.